So hello all, in this video we will talk about circle chapter, right? The circle, it is very easy chapter. So this is a new topic we are going to start in applied maths class 11, right? So let's start this topic. So we all know that let's talk about some basic things in this chapter. So we know that circle has a center, right? And radius, right? Radius, center. So let O be the center, this is radius, and double of radius is diameter. Diameter is equal to twice of radius, right? O is the center of circle. Now suppose equation of a circle in standard form we have to represent, we have to determine. Now suppose there the center of the circle is h comma k. So if center is h comma k, right? Center is h comma k, and any point on this circle is x comma y, right? Any point p, x comma y. So equation of circle will be, if any point p coordinate is x comma y is on the circle, so equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Using distance formula we can determine this. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, right? So this equation we are going to use. The equation of a circle, the end points of whose diameter are given, right? If suppose we have a circle in this way, and this is diameter of a circle O, and end points of it are given, right? So let's say this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, b, a, and there is another point p, x comma y, right? So equation of this circle in which diameters endpoints are given can be given as x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 plus multiply y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle in which diameter, end points of diameter are given, right? Now let's talk about exercise 25a. Question number first. Find the equation of a circle with center. Center coordinates are a comma a, and radius is equal to root 2a, right? So we know equation of a circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So just put the value. So x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to root 2a whole square. So x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus a square minus 2ay is equal to 2a square. A square plus a square, 2a square, 2a square to 2a square get cancelled. So we have x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ay is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. Equation of circle, right? So this is our answer of question number first. Similarly, question number second is also same. Find the equation of a circle with center at the origin 0 comma 0 and radius is 5. You can easily do it. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Next, third equation of a circle with a cos alpha, a sin alpha and radius a. Let's do this. So question number third, center is a cos alpha, a sin alpha and radius is equal to a, right? So let's do this. Now center is given, radius is given. The equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus a cos alpha whole square plus y minus a sin alpha whole square is equal to a square. So x square plus a square cos square alpha plus minus 2a x cos alpha plus y square plus a square sin square alpha minus 2a y sin alpha. Right, simple formula: a square plus b square is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square. Right, so x square plus a square common, so we have cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2a common, x cos alpha plus sin y sin alpha is equal to a square. Right, so x square plus a square, we know that cos square x plus sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Right, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In 10th standard we did it, which will be equal to 1 minus 2a x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to a square. A square to a square get cancelled, so x square, okay, y square also we have, just don't miss y square plus y square, we have x square plus y square I am writing here. So x square plus y square minus 2ax cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha, 2ay sin alpha ay is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Next, question number 4. Find the center and radius of the following circles. Find the center and radius of the following circles. So second part I am doing, first part you can do. Fourth, second part, x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y plus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 4 upon 25. Now we know that this can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 2 upon 5 whole square. So we know that x minus h whole square, this is the equation of a circle, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So on comparing the coefficients, so h will be equal to 1 by 2, k will be equal to minus 2 by 3 and r will be 2 by 5. Right, so find the center. So center will be 1 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3 and radius will be 2 by 5. So this is our answer of question number 4. Next, question number 5. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 5 and which passes through the point 3 comma 2. So center is given and a point is given. So again we know the formula. Question number 5th, right? So just have a look of the question. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 5 and which passes through 3 comma 2. So let this circle be this way. Center is given 2 comma minus 5 and a point on the circle is given. It is how much? 3 comma 2. Right. So radius, this will be, so radius value we all know, radius is equal to square root of distance formula you can apply, x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, so 2 minus plus 5 whole square, which will be equal to square root of 1 square plus 7 square, which will be equal to square root of 1 plus 7, 49, square root of 50, or we can say 50 is 25 multiplied by 2, 5 root 2 units. Right, so 5 root 2 units we have radius. Now radius we know. Now we know the formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus h, so x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 5, so y plus 5 whole square is equal to r square is 5 root 2 whole square. This implies equation of circle will be x square plus 4 minus 2x plus y square plus 25 plus 10y is equal to 25 to 50, right? So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 10y 4 plus 25 29, and 29 minus 50 is minus 21, right, is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a circle. So simple, it is very simple. Now next question is question number 6. Find the equation of a circle whose endpoints of the diameter are given. So diameter endpoints are given to us. So let's apply that formula. X minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2, x minus 3, so minus minus plus 3 plus y minus minus plus 3, y minus 5 is equal to 0. So let's solve. X multiply x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 plus y square minus 5y plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square as it is, 3x minus 2x plus x minus 5y plus 3y minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 15 minus 6, minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is our answer. Very easy. Next is question number 7. Question 7. If y is equal to 2x is a chord of a circle this, find the equation of the circle with this chord as diameter. So y is equal to 2x is a chord of a circle, right? So let's say this is a circle. This is a chord, y is equal to 2x, and this is its center, right? So we have to find out a equation of a circle passing through this chord, right? This chord as a diameter, right? So we know that this end points of the chord lies on this circle, right? So y is equal to 2x, and the equation of a circle is x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. So any point on this chord, let the point be x comma y, right? Let the point be, okay, let the point be a comma b, right? So a comma b, any point on this chord will satisfy the equation of the chord. So we can say b is equal to y is equal to 2x. So this implies b is equal to 2a. Now this point also lies on the circle, so it will satisfy the circle also, right? So putting the value a square plus b square minus 10a is equal to 0 using substitution equation. So a square plus, in place of b just write 2a, so 2a whole square minus 10a is equal to 0. So a square plus 4a square minus 10a is equal to 0. 5a square minus 10a is equal to 0. Taking 5a common, a minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have two values of a. So either 5a is 0 or a minus 2 is 0. So if 5a is 0, a will be 0 upon 5, which is equal to 0. Similarly, if a minus 2 is 0, so a will be equal to 2. So there are two values of a, because we have two endpoints, right, of this. So if a is 0, b will be equal to 2 bracket 0, which is 0. So 0 comma 0 are one coordinate. Similarly, if a is 2, b will be equal to 2 bracket 2, 4. So 2 comma 4 is another point. So the new diagram of the circle looks like this way, right? This is a chord of a circle and the coordinates are 0, 0 and 2, 4. Now we know radius, diameter of this chord will be total length, right? So okay, if we want to find out, okay, diameter we know of a circle, so equation of that circle will be, if AB is diameter, if AB is diameter, so equation of circle will be x minus x1 whole square, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2, right? So x minus x1 is 0, x minus x2 is 2 plus y minus y1 is 0, y minus y2 is 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x, right, x square minus 2x plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0 is the equation of this circle. Equation of the circle in which the diameter is this AB. So this is the equation of a circle. So in this way we have completed this question number 7th, right? Next is question number 8, last question of the exercise. So question number 8 we have, find the center and radius of a circle. So 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. So we have to find out center and radius of the circle. Now 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. So we can take 2 common. We have to find out center and radius. So x square plus y square minus x by 2 is equal to 0. So taking 2 there in right hand side, it will become 0. So x square plus y square minus x upon 2 is equal to 0. Now this we can write down as x square minus x by 2. This implies x square minus x by 2 plus y square is equal to 0, right? Or we can say this as x whole square minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 x plus y square is equal to 0, right? This we can write down as this form. Or we can say this can be written as x square minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 square. Now this is completing the square method we have applied, minus plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 4 square plus y square is equal to 0. What we have done, we have added 1 by 4 square and we have subtracted 1 by 4 square. Now this will become x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus this will be y square, okay, plus y square, taking this minus 1 by 4 there, so is equal to 1 by 4 whole square. Or we can say this is x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 whole square, right? So comparing it with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So we'll get h is equal to 1 by 4, k is equal to 0 and r is equal to 1 by 4. So we can say center will be 1 by 4 comma 0 and radius is 1 by 4. So this is our answer of this question number 8. So I hope it is clear. So that is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. In the next video we'll proceed to the next exercise of this chapter, circles. Thank you.